of ovarian cancer. You might be ignoring the ovarian cancer. Symptoms can be vague, but if you succeed to detect it early, it might be a key to survival. Why are ovarian cancer symptoms so silent? There exists the 5-year relative survival rate for all types of ovarian cancer, and it equals to 45%, but this number rises to 92% if the cancer is caught in stage IA or IB, right before it is spread beyond the ovary, in accordance to the American Cancer Society. Because of the fact that ovarian cancer symptoms may be very hard to recognize, about 70% of all cases are not found until they have advanced to stage 3 or IV, when it happens that the chances for survival are a lot lower, notes Kevin Holcomb, a director of Gynecologic Oncology at Weill Cornell Medicine. This kind of cancer is not so much a silent disease, Dr. Holcomb notes. A huge number of females with ovarian cancer have some symptoms in the months and weeks leading up to the diagnosis, but it is actually very sad that many are vague and nonspecific. This kind of cancer whispers, and therefore, you have to listen closely. Contrary to the breast cancer, there are no tests that have been developed to screen for ovarian cancer so accurately, which makes this cancer hard to be detected, but unless you report symptoms early yourself. In case you are feeling more than one of the symptoms for a week or more than this, consult with your doctor about getting a transvaginal sonogram, pelvic examination, or a CA-125 blood test, which will help detect ovarian cancer. There follows the things OB-GYNs wish you knew about this cancer. 1. Abdominal bloating. With this type of cancer, not only that the tumors can grow very large, but they may also result in fluid growing around them, which in turn may cause a dramatic abdominal extension, as explained by Amanda Fader, an associate professor and director of Kelly Gynocologic Oncology Service at Johns Hopkins Medicine. If it happens that your abdomen is growing while your face and arms are losing fat and muscle, it is probable that it is not just weight gain. 2. Changes in bowel habits. Females that were diagnosed with ovarian cancer may in sudden way start having severe constipation that can end up with diarrhea, and your doctor can suggest tests for gastrointestinal problems like irritable bowel syndrome, but you shall ask if it could be a sign of this cancer. What we are hoping is that if the patients and physicians are aware of the ovarian cancer symptoms. 3. Loss of appetite. In case you find yourself getting full a lot faster and also be unable to eat as much as you used to, you may be having some ovarian cancer symptoms. You should consult with your doctor if you've suddenly lost weight without planning to, Dr. Holcomb explains. 4. Nausea. Experiencing nausea and vomiting are some oft-key symptoms that are common to many diseases, therefore, your doctor may not immediately suspect ovarian cancer. The symptoms of this cancer are not an isolated symptom, but a combination of them, Dr. Holcomb has noticed. 5. Urinating more often. Often goings to the bathroom may mean more than a small bladder, Fader explained, and if this kind of change has been sudden and is in combination with some other symptoms, you shall immediately consult with your physician or gynecologist. Here we present you some more secrets your bladder wishes it could tell you. 6. Menstrual irregularities. There exist many causes may lead to a sudden change in your menstrual cycle or some bleeding between periods, in accordance to the Ovarian Cancer National Alliance. Always having a regular period alone may not be cause for sudden concern, but a combination with some other symptoms together with it may mean some larger problem. Here you have the other unusual menstrual cycle symptoms to watch for. 7. Painful intercourse. If it happens that physical relation suddenly becomes painful and continues to be for more than 2 weeks, it is a quite smart and also a good idea to talk to your doctor, advised the National Ovarian Cancer Coalition. These are the 11 other reasons sex might be painful. Dear viewers, CareTube love your health, so if you found any symptoms then go to your doctor and take treatment properly.